Hey folks, today we are going to be doing a mining tutorial. Behind me we have 3 different variations of mining styles, but to start with we are going to be doing the very easy one. These are the materials you will need roughly. As you know, everyone has their own ways of doing. First you will find a spot where you want to start your mining journey, and you will place 2 blocks. On either side of these we're going to take out 2 blocks on the floor to allow water and lava to flow, otherwise your base is going to look like a mess. From there we are going to build up 2 more blocks and make a 3x3 platform. This is where we are going to have our water flow system. Place a block on each corner and stand in the center and place your 4 trapdoors down. Now here we will place water. You will have to crouch to place them due to waterlogging the blocks. Now we can use the center block as an infinite water source. Finally you will place the last block in the middle and your lever and flick it once. Currently now this lever is keeping these trapdoors open. Flicking it once more will close the trapdoors to allow water flow, and again turn it on to stop that from happening. Now you can come back down here and break this block and this block. For those who want a way up there, just make yourself a quick stairway. Now the last part really, you place a lava source here and break this wood. This is the basis of your cobble gem. You can then start the water flow. We are going to do this now just to demonstrate this works. Turn it on and then turn it straight back off. As you can see, we have our cobble gem. Now leave the top blocks alone and you can stand here and now mine. You can do this all the way to the bottom, and if this is just set above your home, then you can just repeat the process on every side. And you can do this all the time as you have 4 blocks. Once you get to the last one, I do recommend breaking these 4. So let's say that here we've broken all of these. We'll break these 3, and then as we mine down, we look up, break that block and mine our way down. That way you can let the water lava source flow while you are mining to allow the lava to reach the bottom again. It takes several minutes depending on your Y level. Now for our second style of cobble gem. Here you are going to need 10 planks of any style, 10 stairs, 4 trapdoors, 5 buckets of lava and 2 water sources. Once you have done that, you will place 5 blocks here, 5 more here, place these 2 as temporary, and then place these stairs this way around and do the same on this side. That way you have a 5-block cobble gem, and then on the ends of these place the traps. Once we have that, break them and place them there. This will prevent the water from leaking anywhere. Then make yourself a infinite water source. And fill up each one of these stairs with water. Once you have done that, clear out the infinite water source and place your lava. Then just block off the ends. And you are ready to start mining. This way you can have 2 people mine, 1 on either side, at 5 blocks per mine. And for the final cobble gem, you need 6 buckets of lava, 2 water, 20 trapdoors of any kind, and any 7 leaves. You will also need some sort of building blocks. What you do is you find a nice little area, build up 3 blocks, 1 to the right and then 1 directly in front of that. Then you place 1 above that and repeat the process 2 more times. So you have something that resembles this. While you are up here, place 2 leaves on the last 2 blocks, 1 in the middle and 2 on the bottom 2. This will be the 5 leaves this side. Jump down here, place 1 here and 1 here. That's all your leaves done. Break these 2 blocks. Place a temporary block. Then add 3 trapdoors. And break the temporary block. Add 1 here. Surround that with 2 trapdoors. And break that temporary block. And 1 up here and repeat. Now you come around the front, place a temporary block here, place 3 trapdoors, break this temporary block, then add 2 more trapdoors. Place a temporary block here and surround this on all sides with a trapdoor. And then your final, place 4 trapdoors on this one and break that. Now with your lava sources, on the bottom, place one here. One here. And one here. On this side, fill up these also with lava. And for the top one, just place 2 blocks down so you can get up. And place your lava. Now make yourself a infinite water source. And waterlog all the leaves. That's 7 in total waterlog. Then you can destroy your infinite water, as it was temporary. Now what I like to do is I place a block here so I know where to stand, and then I aim about here and mine. You need to be like right on the edge to be able to reach every block. Do be careful at the wrong angles, because one mistake and it can be a total disaster. One water source can make 4 obsidian at the wrong angles. For starters, if I was mining here, oh no, disaster. I now have 4 obsidian and I would need to fix this. Thank you all for watching. Keep an eye out for other tutorials. You have been watching Dragon87 Tamer.